Two breakthroughs in robotics last week push humanoid robotics further. What were they? Let's break that down right now. First up, Amica gets a big upgrade. Your perfect double in seconds. So what is this? Engineered arts humanoid robot Amica has been enhanced to instantly mimic any person's appearance, voice, and job persona. So Amica is now a digital shapeshifter. So how does this work? It uses AI-powered facial expression mapping, voice cloning, and high-fidelity servo motors alongside the new Tritium OS operating system. Its personality, language style, and even humor can be rewritten in seconds. So what does this mean? Amica is now close to passing the Turing test. How so? Not by conversation alone, but by appearance and behavior adaptation. So this opens ethical and identity questions. Who is the real person if a robot can impersonate you? So this breakthrough has huge implications across several industries. Think about it being used in customer service. Would you trust something that can perfectly mimic you? Of course, Amica could be a digital avatar for any of us. And then there's entertainment. No real actor necessary. So what is the big breakthrough here? It's in functionality, the ability to mimic someone else very expertly. Keep in mind that the last Amica upgrade was only a few months ago. So this robot is evolving very rapidly. So what's the second big breakthrough this past week? UBTech Walker S2, the 24/7 autonomous factory robot. So what is it? UBTech's Walker S2, the world's first humanoid robot that charges itself and runs autonomously without any human intervention. So how does this work? This robot is 162 centimeters tall with 20 degrees of freedom for fluid movement. It has a dual 48-volt lithium battery system. It can walk for 2 hours or stand for 4 hours. When power is low, it autonomously walks to a charger and swaps out its own battery in less than 3 minutes. So what does this mean? This marks a significant leap forward toward continuous robotic operation. No brakes, no human support. This robot is ideal for factory, retail, and hospitality roles. No more night clerk at hotels, shelves perfectly stocked overnight every night, 24/7 robot that can work all 3 shifts and doesn't need vacation, medical insurance, dental insurance, vision insurance. You get the picture. This robot raises serious questions about workforce displacement. No S word. I've been saying this is coming for years now, and it's finally here. UBTech's officials highlight roles for humans still in oversight and complex tasks. Yes, for now. The oversight I get for a while, and maintenance people, of course. But the complex tasks will be mastered, and probably pretty quickly at the rate robotics is changing now. So what's the bottom line? Why do these breakthroughs matter for robotics? They represent rapid personalization and true autonomy, thereby reshaping the limits of robotics. Amica demonstrates how easily robots can now adapt identity and social function, unlocking new uses in entertainment, therapy, and interaction. The Walker S2 showcases robots beyond battery constraints, operational 24/7, poised for scaling in logistics and services. So what is the future outlook? What this signals for robotics? AI-driven humanoid robots are evolving from novelty to true utility. Expect them in hotels, museums, events, and even manufacturing lines. In other words, expect them everywhere. At $1 million a year, by the way, by 2030, 5 years from now, humanoid robot manufacturing capacity will be 1 million a year. Operational autonomy means robots become assets that can run unsupervised, changing labor economics and job design. Has the light gone on yet, folks? Ethical frontier, identity mimicry, data privacy, and job displacement. Society needs frameworks for safe deployment. Good luck with that here in the United States. Other places, yes. The arms race intensifies. Engineered Arts, UB Tech, Tesla, Agibot, and more are all pushing deeper capabilities faster than regulatory systems can adapt. That, folks, is exponentiality. So wrapping this up, Amika shows us what robots can become. Living avatars with emotional intelligence and infinite roles. Walker S2 shows us what robots will be. Self-sustaining, diligent labor across 24/7 timeframes. Both breakthroughs together hint at a future where robots are not just tools, but perpetual partners in work and society. So let's translate that last comment from the articles into everyday language. Number one, I have been telling you for years now that there's not a single company on earth that won't choose a humanoid, fully capable, autonomous, 24/7 robot over hiring any human being. That is a no-brainer choice, the way capitalism works. This is just a fact, folks. Number two, there are jobs that cannot be automated even by these robot breakthroughs in the near or intermediate term. What are those jobs? Jobs that still require or mandate the human touch. What kind of jobs are those? Many in healthcare, home healthcare, nurses, physical therapy, etc. Many quote-unquote blue-collar jobs, plumbing work, electrical work, fine carpentry. There's stuff that robots will not be able to do for a while, like those. And then in professional jobs, area of heaviest impact, by the way, litigation in courtrooms, perhaps extremely complex surgeries like transplant surgeries, and those that require intuition. Even though the new Amika can copy, it does not have intuition. So this is Exhibit A of why I've been urging you to make a career transition now. These robotic improvements are now happening at warp speed. Commercial scale factories have either come online recently or are coming online before the end of this year and early next year, and will rapidly scale to that 1 million a year volume that I mentioned, and of course higher after that. Now is the time to start making a change, not when everyone else is trying to do it. What do you think? Drop your comments below. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let your friends know what has just happened and what is here now and what it means. Let your friends know if you care about them. So thanks so much. We'll see you next time. Take care.